Hello boys and girls, welcome to our last cooking video. Today we are going to be making my favorite guacamole. So here are our ingredients: cilantro, tomatoes, lime, avocados, and an onion. So first, boys and girls, we are scooping the avocados out. Avocados actually have a seed in the middle of them. So what we did was we cut the seeds out and threw them away, or you could take them and plant them in your garden and see if you can grow an avocado tree. You never know. And then we scoop out all the avocado. Now you got to make sure that the avocados are nice and ripe. So that means when you pick it up that you can kind of squish them a little bit. If they're super hard, they're probably not ready for you to use them yet. And you can leave them on your counter for a couple days and they will ripen. That's what I did with these. All right. So next, we are going to wipe off the spoon so we can scoop in our onions. I just chopped them into tiny little pieces with a knife. So you always want to make sure, if you're using a knife, that mom or dad is there with you and helping you, or they're the ones that are cutting it and you're the ones that are scooping it in. And then we have half of a tomato, a small tomato. And really the tomato is just to make it look pretty. They call it garnish. And then that is cilantro. And then we're going to squeeze one lime. So we're going to have one lime juice in there. And the more lime you put in, sometimes guacamole, when it sits out over the night, it starts to turn a little brown from the air, just like an apple. When you cut an apple and leave it open, it turns brown. Guacamole kind of does the same thing. It's still okay to eat, but the lime juice helps give it flavor and prevent it from turning brown. And then our last thing we're going to add that's really, really important is some salt, because you got to have some good salt. I always add salt when I go to the restaurants because they don't give us enough. So the last step that we're going to do is you're just going to squish it all up with a fork. All right, boys and girls, this is the final product. Guacamole. All you have to do is dip your chip and take a bite.